Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Speed Reading Mastery Double Reading Speed Skillshare Class. Lecture 3. Introduction. Preparing your mind for speed reading. Setting the right mindset for speed reading. Mental warm-up exercises for increased reading speed. Reducing distractions. And creating an optimal reading environment. Developing effective scanning and skimming techniques. Increasing reading stamina and endurance. Preparing your mind for speed reading. Welcome to the world of speed reading. Are you ready to take your reading skills to the next level? In order to become a successful speed reader, it's important to first prepare your mind for the task at hand. This means adopting the right mindset and practicing mental warm-up exercises to get your brain in gear. Why is this so important? Well, when you're speed reading, you're processing information at a much faster rate than you would be with traditional reading methods. This requires a certain level of focus, concentration, and mental agility that you may not be used to. By preparing your mind beforehand, you'll be able to tackle the challenge with confidence and ease. Setting the right mindset for speed reading. To become a successful speed reader, it's essential to develop the right mindset. This includes having a laser-like focus, unwavering concentration, and an open mind that's ready to absorb new information. By adopting these qualities, you'll be able to read faster and retain more information than ever before. One way to achieve this mindset is to eliminate any distractions that may hinder your ability to concentrate. Find a quiet space where you can focus solely on your reading material. Additionally, try setting a goal for yourself, such as reading a certain number of pages in a set amount of time. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your task at hand. Mental warm-up exercises for increased reading speed. Before diving into a book or article, it's important to prepare your mind for speed reading. Mental warm-up exercises can help you achieve a focused and alert state of mind, which is essential for increasing reading speed. One effective exercise is visualization. Take a few moments to imagine yourself in a calm and peaceful environment, such as a beach or forest. This can help reduce stress and distractions, allowing you to concentrate better on the text. Another helpful exercise is meditation. Sit comfortably and take a few deep breaths. Focus on your breath and try to clear your mind of any thoughts. This can help improve concentration and mental clarity, making it easier to absorb information quickly. Deep breathing is also a great way to relax and reduce tension in the body, which can improve reading speed and comprehension. Reducing distractions and creating an optimal reading environment. One of the most important factors in achieving success with speed reading is creating an optimal reading environment. This means reducing distractions and finding a quiet space where you can focus on the task at hand. To create an optimal reading environment, it's important to turn off electronic devices, such as your phone or computer, that may distract you from your reading. Additionally, try to minimize interruptions by letting others know you're focusing on reading and need some uninterrupted time. Developing effective scanning and skimming techniques. Scanning and skimming are essential techniques for speed reading. Scanning involves quickly looking through a text to find specific information, while skimming involves reading quickly to get an overall idea of the content. Both techniques can help you save time and increase your reading speed. To effectively scan and skim, it's important to use headings and subheadings to guide your eyes and focus on keywords that provide context. Previewing the text before you start reading can also help you identify important information and avoid unnecessary details. Practice these techniques regularly to improve your speed and comprehension. Increasing reading stamina and endurance. Building reading stamina and endurance is crucial for improving your speed reading skills. Just like with any other physical or mental activity, it takes time and practice to build up your stamina. The more you read, the easier it becomes and the longer you can sustain your focus. One effective way to increase your reading stamina is to gradually increase your reading time. Start by setting a timer for 10 to 15 minutes and read at a comfortable pace. Once you feel comfortable with that amount of time, gradually increase it by 5 to 10 minutes each day until you reach your desired reading time. It's important to take breaks in between reading sessions to give your brain a rest and prevent burnout. Conclusion. In conclusion, preparing your mind for speed reading is a crucial step in improving your reading speed and comprehension by implementing certain strategies and techniques. You can train your brain to process information more efficiently and effectively. Here are some key takeaways. 1. Set clear goals. Define your reading objectives and determine what you hope to achieve through speed reading. This will provide you with motivation and focus. To improve focus and concentration, minimize distractions, and create a conducive environment for reading. Practice mindfulness and concentration exercises to enhance your ability to stay focused. 3. Expand your vocabulary. A strong vocabulary will enable you to grasp concepts quickly and understand complex texts with ease. Engage in vocabulary building activities to enhance your word power. 4. Develop pre-reading techniques. Skimming, previewing, and scanning are essential pre-reading techniques that allow you to get an overview of the material. Before diving in, these techniques help in activating prior knowledge and setting expectations. 5. Eliminate subvocalization. Subvocalization, or silently pronouncing each word as you read, can significantly slow down your reading speed. Practice techniques like using a pacer or reading in chunks to reduce subvocalization. 6. Use visual and mental imagery. Visualizing the content and creating mental images can improve comprehension and retention. Try to visualize the information as you read, making it more memorable and engaging. 7. Practice speed drills. Regularly engage in speed drills to challenge yourself and increase your reading speed. Gradually push your limits and aim for continuous improvement. 8. Avoid regression. Resist the urge to reread or go back to previous sections unless absolutely necessary. Trust in your ability to comprehend and retain information as you move forward.
9. Read diverse materials. Expand your reading repertoire by exploring different genres and subjects. This broadens your knowledge base and exposes you to various writing styles and perspectives.
10. Review and evaluate. After reading, take the time to review and evaluate what you've read, reflect on the main ideas, key points, and your overall comprehension. This helps solidify your understanding and reinforces the information in your mind. Remember, speed reading is a skill that requires consistent practice and patience. As you incorporate these strategies into your reading routine, you will gradually notice improvements in your reading speed, comprehension, and overall reading experience.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.